Python has a few more arithmetic operators that exist besides those basic ones we just covered. It has these four right here: the power or exponentiation operator, floor division, modulus operator, and then this at symbol for matrix multiplication. All right, so let's go ahead and go through them. So the star star asterisk asterisk is how you raise one number to another number. So say we have 2 raised to the power of 4. This just means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So whatever this number is, multiply it by itself this many times. So 2 to the 4th is 16. We can say we can raise 3 to the 7th, and we'll get 2187. So that is the exponentiation operator with 2 consecutive asterisks. So it works the same way. There's 2 arguments. There's one on the left, one on the right, and then it produces a new value. 2 forward slashes is floor division. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Say we have 123 divided by 17. So this is normal division with 1 slash, but if you have 2 here, it'll do floor division, which means it always returns just the integer part, which is the number to the left of the decimal. So it'll remove these other decimals, also known as truncating. So it'll just not return those like this. And it doesn't matter how close this number is to the next one. So let's just go back up here and say we were at 130. So this is past. So now we're very close to 8 over here. Let's do 135. So even though this 130, or the result 7.94 is close to 8, if you do floor division of 135 and 17, you'll just knock off those decimals. So it doesn't matter if it's 0.99999, it will still go down. So you can think of floor as the floor you're standing on. So it always go below to the nearest integer below it. Okay, so the modulus operator is how you return the remainder when doing division. So let's take this again. So 135 divided by 17 will be 7. So you have to remember your basic arithmetic. And then it'll have a remainder over here of 16. So it's 7 remainder 16. So that's what the modulus operator does. It just returns the remainder whenever you divide these. And if you want maybe a simpler one that you can do in your head, so 13 modulus 4. So 4 goes into 13 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12, giving us a remainder of 1. So the modulus will never be greater than the divisor over here, just by properties of division. Now this at symbol is not very important for us. This is for more complex matrix multiplication, so we will not run into it. But you will see these exponentiation, floor division, and modulus operators from time to time.